What up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Mama from Doc Barber Jacobs, and today's tutorial is gonna be a taper fade for hair, especially like this man caving on the chair from Malaysia. So if you have like a straight Asian hair type, this is the right tutorial for you. Start with no guard, lever all the way close, so that means it's the shortest length, and create your first guideline. Okay, with the same clippers, no guard still, open up the lever all the way and go up in about half an inch, which is like 1 or 1.5 centimeters. This is very important for the taper fade because this is not the normal fade, so you don't want to create that wide fade, so you just want to compress a little bit. And once again, close up the lever and flick out that initial guideline. Alright, put your number 1 guard lever all the way open and go up on about ½ inch once again. And as you go up, make sure to cut the hair right next to the ear as well. Sometimes I forget it, like I forget to go up that far. But around the number 1 guard, you want to go around the ear area as well, so that the taper doesn't look weird at the end. After this, put your 0.5 guard, which is like 1.5 millimeters, and flick out that second guideline. Same thing, use your corner of your blades and go slowly and try to perfect that blend in. And right now I'm using number 2 guard, lever all the way close and going up about an inch this time. And this process is basically to blend in the hair on the top. We still see some dark spot. That's why we use number 1.5 guard, lever all the way open to blend in even more. Okay, so go back to number 1 guard, lever all the way open, and use your corner of your blades to spot the dark spot and just tap it. And this is the detail work. Don't be afraid to do this work, because basically what number 1 guard is doing is what number 1.5 guard close is kind of doing. So don't be afraid to cut that spot, just attack it, but then don't press too hard, but then just tap it and then release it, tap it and release. So at the end, I'm using number 3 guard, lever all the way close, and I'm cleaning up the hair right behind the ears and above the ear, so that like the blend is not too harsh, it's blending into the hair, not to the hair. basically you repeat the same steps for both sides, and you also repeat the same step for the back of his hair. So it's basically everything's the same thing, but you just do it in the back. And I think the back part is much easier. Right now I'm edging up his hairline. This is the best part about cutting a taper fade because everything makes sense. You know, this is what beauty comes in. Like, I just love lining up the back of his hair. The sex is great, but have you ever lined up the taper fade on the back? That's a fact. YouTube, this is the cut. What do you guys think? Once again, just leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do right now. I know you haven't. Don't lie to me. I know you haven't subscribed yet. Click that subscribe button. It will only take 20 seconds. And I hope to see you very soon. Peace.